Welcome to our countdown of the world's deadliest snakes. These serpents, often cloaked in an air of mystery and fear, are not only fascinating but also incredibly dangerous. From the arid deserts to the lush rainforests, these reptiles have adapted to thrive in diverse environments, evolving potent venoms for both hunting and defense. Join us as we venture into the world of these apex predators, exploring their lethal capabilities and the reasons behind their deadly reputations. Deep within the sun-baked heart of Australia, we encounter our first contender, the Inland Taipan. Known amongst those who dare venture into its territory as the fierce snake, the Inland Taipan holds a fearsome title, possessing the most toxic venom of any land-dwelling serpent known to science. Just a single bite from this unassuming reptile contains enough venom to dispatch 100 adult humans. Its venom, a complex cocktail of neurotoxins, hemotoxins and myotoxins, targets the nervous system, blood and muscles simultaneously. Paralysis sets in rapidly, followed by catastrophic internal bleeding, making a swift and painful demise almost inevitable without immediate anti-venom intervention. Despite its lethal arsenal, the Inland Taipan is a creature of surprising reticence. It prefers to avoid confrontation, relying on its camouflage and cryptic nature to remain hidden amongst the arid landscape. Bites are rare, occurring mostly when the snake feels threatened and cornered, a testament to its shy and retiring nature. Our journey into the world of venomous serpents brings us next to the eastern brown snake, another denizen of the Australian outback. This serpent, often encountered basking in the sun's warmth, belies a deadly secret. Responsible for more snakebite fatalities in Australia than any other species, the eastern brown snake is a creature of lightning-fast reflexes and potent venom. Highly adaptable and often found near human settlements, the eastern brown snake is not an animal to be trifled with. Its venom, a potent mix of neurotoxins and coagulants, disrupts the nervous system and blood-clotting mechanisms. A bite can lead to rapid paralysis, uncontrollable bleeding, and if left untreated, death within minutes. Despite its deadly capabilities, the eastern brown snake, much like the Inland Taipan, prefers to avoid confrontation. However, it is known to be highly defensive when cornered or threatened, striking with incredible speed and precision. Caution and respect are paramount when encountering this serpent in its natural habitat. Chapter 3. Blue Crate, the Night Stalker. As twilight descends across Southeast Asia, we encounter our next contender, the blue crate. This strikingly beautiful serpent, adorned with vibrant blue bands contrasting against its jet-black scales, is a creature of the night emerging under the cover of darkness to hunt. Its beauty, however, belies a deadly secret, a venom 16 times more potent than that of a cobra. The venom of the blue crate is a neurotoxin that attacks the nervous system, leading to paralysis and eventual respiratory failure. What makes this serpent particularly dangerous is its propensity to enter human dwellings in search of prey, often attracted by rodents and other small creatures. This close proximity to humans increases the risk of encounters, making the blue crate a significant threat in its native range. Despite its deadly reputation, the blue crate is not inherently aggressive. It prefers to avoid confrontation, reserving its venomous bite for self-defense or subduing prey. However, its nocturnal habits and preference for human-populated areas make awareness and caution essential in regions where this serpent resides. Chapter 4. Black Mamba, the Speed of Death. Our journey into the world of venomous snakes brings us face to face with the Black Mamba, a creature whose reputation precedes it. Found across the African savanna, the Black Mamba is a serpent of formidable size and speed, capable of striking with lightning-fast reflexes. Its name, derived not from the color of its scales but from the inky black interior of its mouth, hints at its deadly nature. The Black Mamba holds the record for the fastest land snake in the world, capable of reaching speeds of up to 12.5 miles per hour in short bursts. This incredible speed, combined with its potent venom, makes it a formidable predator in the wild. Its venom, a complex cocktail of neurotoxins and cardiotoxins, attacks both the nervous system and the heart, leading to rapid paralysis, respiratory failure, and cardiac arrest. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Black Mamba is not inherently aggressive. It prefers to avoid confrontation, often utilizing its speed to escape perceived threats. However, when cornered or threatened, it becomes highly defensive, striking repeatedly with deadly precision. Chapter 5: King Cobra, the Reigning Serpent. Our final stop on this exploration of the world's deadliest snakes brings us face to face with royalty, the King Cobra. This majestic serpent, the longest venomous snake in the world, commands respect and fear in equal measure. Reaching lengths of up to 18 feet, the King Cobra is a creature of immense size and power, its hood spreading wide when threatened, a spectacle both mesmerizing and terrifying. The King Cobra's venom, while not the most potent on our list, is delivered in large doses. Its venom, a neurotoxin, targets the respiratory centers in the brain, leading to respiratory failure and eventual death. What distinguishes the King Cobra from other venomous snakes is its intelligence and complex behavior. It is known to exhibit problem-solving abilities and has even been observed displaying what appears to be curiosity towards humans. Despite its size and deadly arsenal, the King Cobra is not inherently aggressive. It prefers to avoid confrontation, reserving its venomous bite for prey or when it feels threatened. However, its size and the potency of its venom make it a creature to be treated with utmost respect and caution. Thanks for watching. Remember, while these snakes are deadly, they play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They are vital in controlling rodent populations and maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Encounters with these serpents are often the result of human encroachment into their habitats or accidental encounters. It is our responsibility to coexist peacefully with these creatures, respecting their space and understanding their importance. When venturing into areas where these snakes reside, awareness and caution are paramount. Wearing protective clothing, being mindful of your surroundings, and avoiding areas known to be snake habitats can significantly reduce the risk of encountering these deadly creatures. Let us appreciate the beauty and wonder of these serpents from a safe distance, recognizing their role in the web of life. By fostering respect and understanding, we can share this planet with these fascinating and deadly creatures.